from very crucial analysis of this very topic regarding constitutionality of Citizenship Amendment Act 2019, what I gathered that the point that can be raised are regarding equality concerned and constitutionality concerned, and second is regarding the basic structure doctrine of Indian Constitution as well as soul and spirit of Indian Constitution. So directly without circumventing, let's come on constitutionality aspect. So points which should be taken in consideration are that Article 11 gives explicit power to Parliament to make any provision, I repeat, any provision with respect to acquisition and termination of citizenship and regarding other matters. So there is a classification test which is for basically Article 14 of Indian Constitution. So classification test has been originally developed in American exercise of American jurisprudence and judges, but has accepted in India in case of Anwar Ali Sarkar and also in case of state of Saurashtra case, both in year of 1952. The classification test lays two mandates: intelligible differentia and rational nexus. So coming directly on intelligible differentia, by differentiating between persecuted minorities, Hindus, Sikh, Baudh, Jain, Parsis and Christian, from radical Islamic republics Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and between illegal infiltrators, which is as similar to external aggression laid down in Article 355 of Indian Constitution, somewhere and somehow the demand of reasonable classification as well, demand of Article 14 with Sarvanand Sonowal case judgment has been both filled. Now I would like to attract attention of respected my lord adjudicators on second phrase of very Article 14. Second phrase of Article 14 reads as equality before law, which directly means that equality should be done in equals. Lot many other contenders and participants has raised the judgment Keshwananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. I would also like to rely on the very same judgment. Keshwananda Bharati versus State of Kerala says that equality among unequals and inequality among equals is threat to basic structure of Indian Constitution and is also against spirit of Indian Constitution. Citizenship Amendment Act is strengthening spirit of Indian Constitution. Citizenship Act 1955 mandates and demands deportation. So the matter that who will be considered, which religion to be considered and which type of persecution to be considered is clearly a policy matter and constitutionality has nothing to do with it. What I would like to say that provision of section 5 of Citizenship Act is open, and my closing remark is there need to be someone to hold the hood, of Sheshnag, to hold the tail of Vasuki and drink halal happily. Thank you, respected adjudicators.